Hi everybody, today is Sunday, October 6, 2019. It is 2:32 p.m., 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Today is the last day of the New York Comic Con. I'm at the 34th Street Hudson Yards Subway Station, about to exit it right now. Let's see what kind of costumes we'll see today. Usually there's a lot of cosplayers that are hanging out around here, Hudson Yards area. The Jacob Javits Center, where this is being held, is only a block away from here, made convenient by the subway station.
It sounds a bit like Melissa.
Over here is the Vessel and Hudson Yards. And time to make our way to the Jacob Javits Center and Hudson Boulevard. Let's see what kind of costumes and cosplays we'll see today. I'm not too well versed in anime, so I apologize if I don't know every single anime or comic book character, but even still, you can appreciate everybody's hard work in dressing up, coming out here, designing their costumes. So there's a heavy police presence. I was here last year when the Comic Con was on also, but the 7 train wasn't running at that time. The police department did a pretty good job of directing people across the street and where they need to be.
Anyone need a badge for today?
Usually there's some cosplayers over here. Not too many from what I can see here, if at all. Once I get near the convention center, I think we'll have better luck. Oh, there's a costume. I call him Vine Man. Badges are the Comic-Con tickets. I'm not about to go in there because I have somewhere else to be, but at least we can get to see what's going on the outside of the convention center. And I'll also go into the main lobby too before the admissions area, just to see what people are up to. I believe that's Alice in Wonderland.
What Harmon is, New York City history.
Here we have a food stand. I'm sure they're very busy during the event. So here's the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center, largest convention center in New York City. Probably the East Coast most famous convention center as well.
You want to climb up them stairs?
Hell no. All right, let's see here. Batman. Here's a Jedi Master. Someone dressed in a chef's outfit, and I believe that may be Pikachu, although could be wrong. No, it can't be Pikachu. That just looks like a yellow jumpsuit. Uh-oh, someone dropped some money, but good thing there's a good Samaritan to help recover it for whoever dropped it. Okay, we got some more costumes here. Someone dressed up as a zombie. Let me walk back to the other side and go inside the convention center.
Which bus?
Weapons and bag check. This is where I won't be able to proceed any further, but at least I'll get to see who's here. Oh, look at this. I believe that's Melina and Katana from Mortal Kombat. Okay. There's the Comic-Con's main area over here. Someone with blue hair. Well, that's interesting. Werewolf. That's the Batman I saw before. Someone with a blue wig. We got Pikachu. Let's see who's outside. Squirtle, 2 Squirtles, and a Pikachu. Don't know who that person is, but there seem to be a few cameras pointed at him.
Anybody selling a bag? You guys selling an extra? Any extras?
Oh, look at this. You can see what's going on down there.
Anybody need it?
Too bad this fence was in the way, but
Anybody have an extra bag?
at least you get to see some of it.
Who likes evil kitty cats? Who likes evil kitty cats? Check it out.
I believe that's Okami or Okami from the Japanese artistic video game.
I'm gonna slap you. For real?
Two characters from Thor, maybe. Sorry. Sailor Moon. I'll go this way. These NYPD barricades make it very tricky to move around here. That's for sure. That's how the police department does this crowd control during Comic-Con.
You mean on Johnson? Look at his bunny suit. Okay, everybody happy? Have fun?
Okay, walk signals on.
I don't know what the.
More costumes I'm seeing, although I'm not familiar with the characters they're supposed to represent.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, we even have pets here dressed up in costume.
Anyone need a bag?
Here's 55 Hudson Yards. I believe it's still under construction. If not, it's recently completed. Sounds like some drivers are unhappy about the traffic situation right now. I'll be walking over to the vessel at Hudson Yards and ending the video there. I'm coming this way because I'm hoping to see some more people in costumes.
Honestly,
I think that's the Incredibles. And that looks like that character from Scooby-Doo. Let's see, anybody else dressed up here? There are a lot of people with badges on for a Comic-Con.
Yang auto?
Yeah, I don't really see too many other people here with costumes on. But the area is noticeably less quiet now. When this first opened, Hudson Yards was very populated and very crowded, as well as another weekend when I went. But I guess when Comic-Con comes in, it takes away from this area. But that's just my observation. But anyway, that's it for this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick walk with me from the 34th Street Hudson Yards Station to the Jacob Javits Center and then back to the vessel, showing you the last day of the New York Comic-Con. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you did, and comment down below on which costume that you believe was the best. I'll catch you later. Take care.